Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm sharing amazing zero-waste woodworking ideas that turn construction scraps into beautiful, profitable art crafts and decor. These projects are simple, eco-friendly, and perfect for anyone looking to make money from leftover wood. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture decor and craft videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us to grow our channel and give you more content in return. Step inside a world where forgotten factories, rusted machines, and weathered timber are transformed into breathtaking eco-luxury furniture that sells faster than ever before. In today's video, we explore how artisans are reclaiming relics from old industrial buildings and turning them into one-of-a-kind masterpieces, pieces rich with history, soul, and emotional value. Discover how salvaged beams, aged steel, vintage factory carts, and century-old workbenches are reborn as stunning modern furniture that buyers crave for its authenticity, sustainability, and deep cultural resonance. You'll see how every crack, scar, and patina mark becomes a selling point, helping creators build profitable businesses while preserving the stories hidden within these abandoned spaces. Whether you're a woodworker, DIY enthusiast, interior design lover, or an entrepreneur seeking high-demand decor ideas, this video reveals the secrets behind crafting pieces that hold meaning, elevate homes, and create financial freedom for makers worldwide. If you believe in beauty with intention, sustainable artistry, and honoring history through your craft, this is the video you can't afford to miss. Wood is a timeless material. But just like any interior design feature, it's been subject to various trends over the years, from painting to staining. However, if you're a fan of natural wood finishes, you're in luck. Natural wood finishes, by which we mean wood that isn't painted, stained, or engineered, are back in. That's all the permission you need to fill your home with wood furniture finds, from the rustic to the modern, the reclaimed to the upcycled. Natural wood finishes can work wonders in any home. So, whether you're keen to add character to a new build or you're on the hunt for furniture that will complement your period property's original features, look no further. Wood furniture will come to the rescue. Almost any type of wood could be used to build furniture, but some woods have always been favored for their beauty, durability, and workability. Before 1900, most furniture was made with these woods: walnut, oak, mahogany, rosewood, fruitwoods, and rare wood. Veneers and inlays were in common use. American colonial furniture, dependent on local availability, was made with maple, oak, walnut, birch, and cherry, as well as pine. The preferred furniture woods were readily available, so less attractive or durable woods were used only for hidden parts inside a piece. For this reason, pre-1900 furniture is almost always worth restoring, as these preferred woods have become scarcer and more expensive. Furniture has been made with more abundant woods. The traditional favorites have become rare. Today, most furniture is made with ash, pine, gum, and poplar, pine, fir, and other inexpensive woods are used for hidden parts. The rare woods are used only for very good furniture, and they are often used in combination with the less expensive woods. Being able to identify the type of wood used for your furniture can help you determine its real value. Wood furniture has its advantages and disadvantages. Timeless beauty. Wooden furniture has a timeless appeal that will never go out of style. Whatever may be the type of wood, each carries a special beauty in its own way. Its natural grains and warm tones provide a beautiful touch to any place. At Bosky Furniture, we handpick premium wood to ensure each piece of furniture exudes elegance and adds a touch of sophistication to your home interior. Long-lasting, durable. This is the biggest benefit of owning wooden furniture. A furniture piece made of quality wood is highly durable. Teak wood furniture in Kolkata is the most popular choice among homeowners in terms of durability. It can withstand everyday usage and wear if it is built with premium quality and excellent materials. Bosky Furniture's commitment to using superior wood guarantees that your investment lasts for decades, becoming a treasured heritage. Sustainable wood stands out as an exceptional sustainable choice, especially when sourced carefully. It is a renewable natural resource that is good for the environment. Do you know that trees, the source of wood, biodegrade naturally? Moreover, they serve an important role in absorbing damaging carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Any furniture made of wood has a lower environmental impact than other materials. That's why trees are called the best gifts of nature to humans. Wide range of options, from beds to dining tables, chairs, and cabinets. Hardwood furniture provides a wide range of options for furnishing every room in your home. You can easily find various designs and colors and even customize the furniture as per your choice. So, if you have decided to buy furniture for your home, simply explore the vast online catalog of Bosky Furniture to find the perfect piece for your home decor.